going to show you how to prepare a restaurant quality meal at home. And this one is going to have a lobster tail and some fettuccine pasta. And I'm going to show you how to prepare this meal for you in less than 10 minutes. Perfect for a date, Mother's Day, maybe a birthday, or just because. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. I have a fresh lobster tail, never been frozen. I have garlic, thyme for the aromatics, fresh oregano, parsley. You can have the Italian one. I'm going to chop some of them, not a lot. Basil, fresh, sea salt, butter, enough to create that nice sauce. Clearly, you're going to need some fettuccine for this one. You can go with spaghetti too, but I'm going to go with the fettuccine. And some extra virgin Italian olive oil. For the lobster tail, I'm going to steam this baby. It has water under. I put this to keep the water away from the lobster tail. Going to cover it and I'm going to let it steam until the color change to orange of the tail. That's how you know it's cooked. And that's how it looks when it's ready. For the fettuccine, you're going to have a pot, water. You're going to boil the water. You're going to add the fettuccine. You're going to put a little bit of oil so they don't stick together. Pasta is ready, so you're going to transfer them to a container where you're going to drain the water out. Going to use some butter. And some extra virgin olive oil, not a lot, just enough. Mixing both. The heat is a medium, by the way. Cast iron, hot, preheated. I'm going to start with the parsley. You don't want it fried, so you lower the heat a little bit more. Oregano, thyme, garlic. The garlic was minced. Ooh, this is smelling delicious. Basil. Going to add a little bit more oil. Lower the heat to a notch above low. But you don't want it more burn, but you want it cooked. So it's a balance. You can grab a little bit of salt, sea salt, just a little bit, not a lot. Let it cook for about 3 minutes, maybe 4.